Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Power Automate for desktop flows step by step clearly. To activate Microsoft Power Automate for desktop flows, you first need to download the application. Visit the official Microsoft Power Automate website. Click on the download button to start the installation process. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch Microsoft Power Automate from your computer. You will be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you'll need to create one. Once signed in, you may need to accept the terms and conditions. After accepting, you will be directed to the main interface of Power Automate. To create a new desktop flow, click on New Flow or Create. Choose Desktop Flow from the list of options. This will open the Desktop Flow Designer. You can now start building automated workflows by dragging and dropping actions. To test your flow, click on the Run button. After testing, make sure to save your flow for future use. Your Microsoft Power Automate for desktop flows is now activated and ready for automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.